YouTube friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today, Mommy Milestones is making homemade dish soap. Now, sometimes people think this is taking frugality to an extreme. For me today, it's all about necessity. We went grocery shopping yesterday. We got everything we need. Dish soap was right in the middle of the list. Now, I've made this in the past, and then I abandon it, and I go back and forth. This time of year, and I just do it out of necessity. I'm like, oh, I don't have time to make it. It's fine. Dish soap costs pennies anyways. This homemade dish soap is easier than making your homemade laundry soap, and chances are you already have all the ingredients in your pantry because you're already making your homemade laundry soap. If you're not, look into that because it literally is pennies a load. You get 10 gallons of homemade laundry soap when you do your recipe that I have done in the past, and you can look that up in some of my former videos. So today we are doing Kurt's Castile bar soap. This one is made for sensitive skin. It is really great for your homemade laundry soap. You can make body wash out of it. You can use it as a laundry pre-treater bar. You can make a paste out of it, all-purpose cleaners. Folks, this is the ultimate money-saving thing. The weather's getting cold. I didn't want to have to run out to the grocery store when I just got home. So a detour in the grocery store led us to forget some of our supplies. I was able to add a little water to the last of my dish soap container and get my dishes done for today. This formula has to set for about 8 hours before you use it. So I've got a 1 gallon container of hot water. This is 8 cups. You can mix this up on the stove or just get it hot in the microwave, which is what I've done. So here I've added my 4-ounce bar of grated soap, and you can use whatever soap you like. If you like ivory, anything. I wanted to use this because it's made for sensitive skin. This time of year, my hands really start bothering me with dryness. I get kind of a contact eczema going on, contact dermatitis. I can use this dish soap with no gloves if I'm not getting my wash water really hot. That's one trick my mom taught me about washing dishes. Get it as hot as you can. Get those dishes cleaned and sanitized. That's how they do it in a restaurant and why they can run them through so fast. Another thing that helps my skin a lot is some essential oils. You can make this with herbal tea if you like. We have lemon balm growing here on the farm. I have fresh mint growing on the farm. And I save those leaves for tea. So you can make this 1 gallon of water tea, and it's really good and healthy for your skin at the same time. So I'm adding a couple of drops of lavender. Total, you want to add about 1/2 teaspoon of your essential oils to your 1 gallon of water. So I've done that. Now, as a boost, you can choose to add a teaspoon of the super washing soda, and the old-fashioned dish soap recipes do call for this. Now, there are other recipes that are just soap and water, nothing else. That works fine too, and it's 1 gallon of water and 1 bar of soap dissolved. Super easy. So I'm just gonna stir this and let it dissolve. The finer you grate it, and you can just use your cheese grater, you can send it through your food processor if you like. I don't like to use the food processor as much for this because it's kind of waxy. Now, I've got a retired food processor that I have used in the past for making my bar soap. Now I just have a dedicated old cheese grater that I use for my bar soap. It's soap. As you see, you're already using it for dish soap. It's going to wash right off, so it's just fine if you don't have one dedicated to that. The safe thing about doing this type of project, there's no lye involved. There's no toxic chemicals. This is good for you. Your skin is your biggest organ. You can pour this powdered mixture, all your grated soap and your essential oils, right into an empty gallon milk jug if you like. Add your hot water, give it a shake, let it set. It's super, super easy. So, if this recipe helped you, remember, it only takes about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of this soap to wash your dishes. So, this total bar cost about $2 for a 3-pack, folks. That is the way to go. So, I actually came across the sale and we stocked up because it was 99 cents on sale for 3 bars at my local grocery store. Now, this sensitive one, they only sell this one at my local Meijer store in the beauty care section where they sell the soap. And in the laundry aisle, they have the regular scent. So keep an eye out for that also. So I'm going to just let this set for 8 hours, pour it into the container I'm going to use, and I'll get right into washing my dishes tomorrow with this fresh soap. So thanks for watching, everybody. Remember to hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.